In this video, we'll take a look at the area of parallelograms and triangles. The first formula that we'll talk about is the formula for the area of a parallelogram, which is area equals base times height. So base corresponds to this piece, and height corresponds to this piece. Notice that your base and height are connected with a right angle. The other formula that we'll take a look at is the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. You may also recognize this formula as area equals base times height divided by 2. Notice that your base and your height might meet outside of the triangle, but your base and height should always be joined together by a right angle. In this example, we're trying to find the area of this figure, which is a triangle. So we're going to think about the formula area equals 1/2 base times height. Now I notice here that I have a right angle, and the two pieces that are joined together by the right angle are 10 and 6, which makes 10 our base and 6 our height. So if we plug in, we have 1/2 times 10 times 6, which gives us 30 square centimeters. In this next problem, we're trying to find the area of this figure, a parallelogram. So we're going to think about area equals base times height. I notice here that we have a right angle joining together the 15 centimeter piece and the 5 centimeter piece. We can think of 15 as our base and 5 as our height. So if we plug in, we have 15 times 5, or 75 square centimeters. In this problem, we are told that the area of the parallelogram ABCD is 200 square centimeters, and now we need to find our perimeter. So to find our perimeter, we need to add up the lengths of all 4 sides. To start us off, we're going to think about area of a parallelogram is equal to base times height, because we're given our area. Notice our area is 200, so we can plug that in for big A. Our base and height have to be joined together by our right angle, where our base, we don't know what that is, and our height is given as 25 centimeters. So we can plug that in as B times 25. To get B by itself, we can divide both sides by 25, which leads us to our base is 8 centimeters. Notice that this side BC is 27 centimeters. So if we want to find our perimeter, we take 27 plus 27, our left and right sides, plus 8 plus 8, our top and bottom sides, and we end up with 70 centimeters. In this problem, we're given that the area of the triangle is 84 square feet, and we want to find the length of the base. Now remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. We know that the area is 84. We're looking for the length of our base, and our height is 8. I can start this problem by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2, which leads me to 168 is equal to B times 8. I can then divide both sides by 8, which leads me to the length of the base is 21 feet. In this problem, we want to find the area of the shaded region. There are lots of different ways to take a look at this. One way to look at it is to figure out the area of the entire piece and then subtract the area of the stuff that we don't want to include. So to find the area of the big rectangle, we take 10 times 12 for 120. To find the area of the small rectangle, we think about 3 times 5. So to find the total area, I'll take the entire figure and subtract the part that I don't want to include and end up with 105 square meters.